Make nature art. Materials: a basket to put things in, twigs, rocks, pebbles, wood blocks, leaves, flowers. Make sure you have an adult's permission and supervision when collecting materials outside. Start with a center and begin circling around. Add more items to the design. Brush your design away and start again. This time, start from the outside. Use pebbles and make a spiral. Notice the patterns and symmetry of your design. Brush your design away and start again. This time, start with a heart. Now make it a flower. Brush your design away and start again. Start with a center and radiate outwards. Circle around, adding details. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseumAtHome.